Did you know that one of history's most misunderstood philosophers discovered the real secret to happiness 2,300 years ago? Most people think Epicurus taught us to chase pleasure and live wild lives, but that's completely wrong. Epicurus actually found that true happiness comes from eliminating three specific fears that destroy our peace of mind. First, the fear of death. He taught that death is simply the absence of sensation, so there's nothing to fear. Second, the fear of the gods. He believed divine beings don't interfere with human affairs, so we shouldn't worry about their judgment. Third, the fear that happiness is impossible to achieve. He proved this wrong through his own life. His famous garden wasn't a place of wild parties. It was a simple community where friends lived together, shared meals, and focused on meaningful conversations. While others chased wealth and fame, Epicurus and his followers found joy in friendship, simple pleasures, and peace of mind. His lesson still works today. Eliminate fear, embrace simplicity, and invest in real relationships. That's where lasting happiness lives.